Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrice. As usual, we talk about design and today's topic is user interface. I assume that you will get to know user interface from this video. The user interface is the point at which human users interact with a computer, a website, or an application. User interface must be effective to the user. The goal of effective user interface is to make the user's experience easy and intuitive, requiring the minimum effort of the user's party to receive the maximum desired outcome. User interface is created in layers of interaction that appeal to the human sense, like sight, touch, auditory, and more. Common types of user interface include command line interface, menu-driven interface, graphical user interface, and touchscreen graphical user interface. Starting from command line interface, the command line interface is no longer common as a form of basic user interface in everyday consumer products, but it is still in use under certain circumstances. Command line interface requires users to type appropriate instruction to the command line. The computer is commanded to first go to the required file or directory. From there, a host of commands become available from retrieving files, running the programs. The second type of user interface is menu-driven interface. The menu-driven user interface provides you the range of commands or options in the form of list or menu played in full screen, pop-up or pull-up, drop-down, and so on. Users follow these options to perform a particular action or task. Examples of menu-driven interface include ATM machines and public funds. Another type of user interface which is mostly used nowadays is graphical user interface. Graphical user interface is the type of interface which the majority of people are most familiar. You interact with this interface by using mouse, trackpad, or other peripheral to point or click on graphics or icons. User can easily see the icons in the computer and just interact with them. It is also used in websites. The website provides graphics that direct users to their target. For instance, the university website directs everyone to a particular service he or she wants to access. The last but not the least type of graphical user interface is the touchscreen graphical user interface. The touchscreen graphical user interface is very similar to the regular graphical user interface, except that you use your fingers or a stylus to select icons and perform tasks, rather than a mouse or trackpad or other like keyboards etc. Touchscreen graphical user interface are commonly found on tablets, smartphones, and medical devices. The touchscreen graphical user interface has the same benefits and disadvantages as well as standard of graphical user interfaces, but also it offers more intimate methods of interaction. So the lack of peripherals makes touchscreen graphical user interface very convenient compared to the other types. So as I've been saying, all these types of user interface have the same function, which is to help human computer interaction. Thank you for watching. Keep in touch. I'll be back with another aspect of design. Ciao.